Yeah, hi, it's Royce Eddings, Royce Construction. I'm out here working in Morro Bay today. Kind of a nice little view of the ocean from where I'm working. And yeah, there we go. That's a little better. We've got a condominium project I've been working on off and on for a couple of years, whatever they're ready to have some more units done. And what I'm doing here is I'm cutting off all the beams. There's beams that protrude through the stucco. They're the same beams that create the open beam ceiling, inside the units. And we're going to cut those beams off, and then we have to route them back to the plate line so that they can be replastered. We'll go up and take a look at them right now. Okay, so here we are. There's all these beams. They stick out from the stucco. There's 33 of them. I've got to cut those off. It's kind of slippery up here. The new roof on here is kind of wet. Anyway, so we're going to cut all these beams off, and then we have to take our router and route those back to the framing line. I call it the plate line. And afterwards, then my plastering contractor comes out and plasters them. Okay, so in order to cut these beams off, first we've got to unscrew the flashing, and then there's another flashing on the cap on the top of the beam that was supposed to help keep the water off of it. And I'll turn around here and show you what we've been getting here. Okay, so this is what's been going on these beams. You can see this one's all full of dry rot. Some of them have dry rot and termites. This one probably does too. But that's what's going on. These beams are all just rotting out, and so my job is to cut these beams off. Okay, here's another view of the beams we're cutting off. Peel the flashing back, take the sheet metal cap off the top, and take a SAWZALL, rip those beams off. Alright, here's a look at a couple of the beam ends we just cut off. And you can see that they're completely infected with termites. Look at this one here. Man, that's bad. Alright, that's why we're doing this. The beams are full of termites and they're full of dry rot. Alright, as you can see, all of the beams have been cut off. Not just cut off, but we had to grind them back even with the wall line, so we have room to re-stucco, seal that hole up and re-stucco. Alright, here we're showing you what the finished product looks like. All those beam pockets have been lathed and plastered and painted, of course. So lathed, plastered, and painted, and they blend right in. There's another row of beams that were right here, and they've all been lathed, plastered, and painted as well. And that's what's going on in Royce's world today. We've got the job done. Thanks for watching.